Before we get started, I just wanted to share an open invitation for a YouTube collaboration. All of your kind words and all of your comments, likes on all of my videos really keeps me motivated to keep sharing these recipes. I love to see comments such as, "Oh my God, Anadi, that looks so good. Oh my God, I wish I could make this Indian dish. I really need to start making Indian dishes." So I want to ask you, what is holding you back? Why haven't you done it already? So with the hashtag MyCookingJourney2021, I want you all to post one or more Indian inspired recipes, or just put a simple Indian twist into one of your favorite dishes. You can post as many videos as you want, and the whole idea is for you to try what you want to but you haven't yet. To make it a complete meal, for a complete experience, I challenge you to try an appetizer, a main, and a dessert. And to participate, simply use the hashtag MyCookingJourney2021 in your video title and description, and I'll put all of your videos into a public playlist so that all of us can get inspired, learn, and explore together. I can't wait to see all of your recipes, so now let's first get started with this one, which is a potato and keema sandwich. It's gonna be amazing. Let's get started. Now, not too long ago, I did a recipe for a keema masala, which is just a minced chicken curry. It's a dry curry. Now, we're gonna start the same way, except before we get started, set some potatoes to boil. I'm gonna steam my potatoes in the Instant Pot, and I'll put the link on how to do that in the description box down below. You can also just have a pot of water boiling for your potatoes so that you can cook it on the stove instead. Now, as your potatoes are cooking, let's prepare our actual keema. So we'll start off by heating some ghee or oil in a pan, and then add in your whole spices, which is your bay leaf, cloves, and cumin seeds. Once they are aromatic, add in your onions and let them get nice and soft. As soon as that happens, add in your minced chicken and all of your dried spices. So that would be your degi mirch, ground coriander, turmeric, and salt to taste. Mix in all of your dried spices and continue breaking up any lumps of meat and mix the spices really well. Now add in your chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies if you're using that today. Now you want to keep continuing to break up any lumps until there are no big chunks at all, and cook this until the chicken is no longer pink. Make sure the heat is not too hot because you want to keep some of that moisture that is going to be released from the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, create a well in the center of that pan and then add in some tomato paste. Give that a minute or two to cook out slightly, get that tartness out, and then mix it all in. Once you've mixed it, add in a touch of water, and here's what the difference is, and this difference really changes the entire dish. Your potatoes, which have been cooking, once they are soft, cube the potatoes up and then add them directly into your curry. Mix that up really nice and just give it a few minutes to simmer and to let that water that you just added to thicken slightly to give a thick, saucy texture. The starch that's going to be released from the potatoes and that classic potatoey, waxy flavor is going to transform this dish into something that's going to be completely different from what we had with a regular keema masala. And you want to taste it to really see how great it is. Now, once that's done, we're going to finish it by seasoning with garam masala, adjust for any salt, and then garnish with loads of cilantro. Now, here's a time to either forget about the sandwich because it's looking so good and you have some pita bread already ready in the fridge. But resist that urge, and I'm telling you, the sandwich is to die for. Add some butter on that pan. So I'm using some rye bread here, and on the bread, add in some of your minced mixture. Let those potatoes be nice and chunky. Then if you want, add some cheese on that as well. Today I'm using some cheddar. Close that sandwich to really toast that bread with that butter. Do the same with the other side. As you're flipping it, add some more butter and toast the other side as well. And just look at how great and simple this dish is. Now, the best use case for this dish is if you have some keema, which somehow is left over in the fridge from the night before or the meal before, and you're craving a delicious snack. Just whip that out, get your bread, make your sandwich, get that cheese in, and you're gonna have a great meal. And this is gonna kick off the collaboration, and I really hope to see all of you participating, and it's gonna be a lot of fun at the end of it. For more videos just like this one, be sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon, be sure to check out my newsletter by signing up on my website, and full details for this recipe will be available there as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.